some of the practical skills across uh, product, tech, and business. So you have to understand, you have to create a solid understanding of AI and machine learning concepts. Now, you may know them very well for an engineer, but at a product level, also you have to understand what they are. Business level has to understand what supervised, unsupervised learning is, reinforcement learning, and when each of these is appropriate. So this foundational literacy is critical. Even if you're not building the models yourself, you have to start with the foundation. That is has to be clear. Those in engineering or data roles, they have to understand the ML frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch, right? Cloud tools are very important for deployment and scaling AI solutions. Cloud tools are like Amazon, Azure, or Google. So that's very important. Data is the backbone. So skills in data modeling, data quality, familiarity with data, big data technologies, and streaming is valuable. Even if you're not a data engineer, how understanding how data flows will help you understand and collaborate effectively. So product manager and business managers, they need to excel at problem framing, defining the right questions to solve with AI. Unless you know what AI can do, you wouldn't know how to solve it, right? That's why you need to know about AI, what kind of problems it can solve. So the skills are involved in designing the metrics, designing what metrics to AI will look at, running some experiments and creating some prompts and agent workflows. Understanding this is very important for a business or a product person. And then you have to communicate the trade-offs decisions to both the technical and non-technical stakeholders. So as you can see, the product and business also has to understand thoroughly the AI, not at a mathematical level, but at a conceptual level and at an application level. And the technical people need to understand more deeply at the API level, at the mathematical level, at the tool level. Right? And everybody has to know about governance, like we spoke about, literacy in governance, explainability, evaluation, compliance, ethics, morality, all these things everybody has to know about. So reflect now deeply, reflect on your own skills and where you are and what you need to develop. Remind yourself, think that AI is a team sport. You have to do cross-functional collaboration and understand each layer. And this will help you to work more effectively with others.